Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Shanrell. I'm absolutely delighted to be doing this video today because I get to finally unbox my Sip Spy. I have been waiting for it for a while. Once again, it came later in the month, which is okay. I totally understand all of the shipping delays that are happening right now. Everyone's ordering packages because everyone's shopping online. So I finally got my Sip Spy. If you don't know what Sip Spy is, it is a tea subscription service. It is $15 a month. You fill out a profile about the type of teas you like, and they will customize a box full of sample teas and send it to you. So I'm excited to get into this. When you open your box, you will see this little cover slip that tells you what month it is, obviously, and then all about the teas that they packed just for you. A lot of times it also includes like discount codes if you want to actually buy the tea that you were sent. So, and I guess I should mention as well, they always send one of these. Well, if you get loose leaf tea, they send these. This is like a reusable muslin tea bag, and it also comes with these disposable like paper tea bags, which is really nice for just quick use with your loose leaf tea bag. So I actually use these all the time. Okay, so let's finally get into this bag. So I'm noticing this right away on top. This is a package of gunpowder black tea from Made of Tea. I'm interested to look at it. It kind of looks like the tea is kind of curled and rolled. I kind of like it when it looks like that because then when you steep it, you really get to see it unfurl. It's a lot of fun to brew this type of tea. I'm trying to remember if I ever tried gunpowder black tea before. I know I've tried gunpowder green tea, but I don't think I've ever done black tea. It says that this is the Zhu Cha black tea from Fujian province, China. It's also known as black pearls or black gunpowder. This full-bodied black tea gets its name from the way its leaves are hand-rolled. Very cool. All right, very neat. I love getting loose leaf teas like this, so this will definitely get used by me. Ooh, now I've got a whole bunch of several packages of the same tea. This is from something called Tea Pigs. This looks really fun. I love the fact that there's a chicken on it. This is their Morning Glory tea. This is their English breakfast, looks like. It says that this includes one biodegradable tea temple. I don't know what that means. Okay, it says on the back about their special breakfast tea that it's a blend consisting of 3 glorious teas, a gutsy Assam, a mellow Ceylon, and a powerful Rwandan newcomer. Oh, how interesting. And they included 4 packages of those. So I wonder if it's like one single serving that you then re-steep. Anyway, I'm thinking I'm probably gonna try this because this just looks so interesting to me. I'm interested to try, but let me see what else. I'm sorry, I just realized I'm talking really, really quickly. And it's just because I'm excited. So now I have something from Davidson's, which I don't think I've ever tried this brand. This is Davidson's Organics, and this is the Spring Cup, whatever that is. It doesn't really say. It just says that it's USDA organic and it's KSA kosher, if that is something that matters to you. And I'm trying to figure out if it's green tea or black tea. Maybe, let's look on our little sheet. It says that it is organic green tea, and it also includes organic purple mallow flower in it. Oh, that's really different. It says that these lovely tea blooms contain green tea with scarlet flowers that unfurl during steeping. Best for a small teapot or a large cup. Watch them bloom into a beautiful work of art. Oh, that's so cool. You can't really see. I'm trying to look. So I've had blooming like tea balls before. That's what this is. Oh, that is so fun. I'll definitely try that out. I think we've got another big package in here. So I have tried tea from this brand before and I really enjoy it. This is from the Heirloom Tea Company. This is the Frozen Peak Signature Roast, lightly roasted Dongding Taiwanese oolong. When you get teas, you can go on the website and review the ones that you've been sent. I always really highly rate oolong, so they have been consistently sending me oolong to try, which makes me happy because I love it, and it can be kind of expensive to buy. It's one of those varieties that the good stuff costs a little bit. So I don't always buy it for myself, so I'm really happy to get a decent sized sample in this box. And then it came with like this cute little postcard from Davidson's Organics that you could use to send to a friend if you want. It says explore on the back. Well, that's just super cute. Honestly, all of these I'm pretty sure I will enjoy. Even though lately I've been drinking a lot of black tea, so I'm not necessarily feeling the green tea in this one. Sometimes teas like this are all about the experience. They taste good, yeah, but it's also about watching the little flower unfurl and everything. So that is super fun. Man, I wonder what I should try today. I really want to try this tea pigs thing, but I feel like this would be more interesting for you guys to watch steep. You know what? I'm gonna try this today because this is what I want, but maybe I'll put this on like my Instagram when I brew it up so you guys can see how that looks. That would be fun to do. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. We're gonna try tea pigs today. I hope you guys also have some tea picked out to sip and drink with me. Let's go get our tea steeping. Back with my tea. I also had to quick take the puppy out for a potty break, so maybe my tea is cool enough to actually drink now. Still very hot, real hot. So you guys may have noticed from the brewing video that tea temple apparently refers to those little mesh like pyramid bags. I've seen those lots of times, but I'd never seen them referred to as a tea temple before. Hence the confusion, but I really like those bags because they give enough room for the tea to expand inside. Regular tea bags most of the time do not. I was also happy with the quality of the tea. I could see that it wasn't tea dust. You guys know what I mean? That's in the most tea bags. It was actual tea leaves that were able to expand in the tea pyramid, or tea temple, I should say. So let's check out this tea. I can smell the maltiness of it, which I love a malty black tea. A lot of times with like a morning breakfast, I'll put with a morning, like an English breakfast black tea, I will put in a little splash of milk, but just for tasting this, I like to just taste it plain. Ooh, it's delicious. And 1 minute was perfect. I noticed on the package, they said that they like to steep it for 3 to 5 minutes. I almost never follow those type of steeping instructions unless it's an herbal tea, which does require quite a bit of time to get any flavor out of it. I find that a loose leaf tea, 1 minute is often the max. I mean, for the re-steep, you can go in 3 to 5 minutes, but that first steep, I feel like if you leave it in there for 3 minutes, you're gonna end up with an extremely strong cup of tea. But maybe that's how you like it. I don't know. I like mine flavorful, but not overpowering. That's delicious. Sometimes black teas can taste kind of sweet potato-y. Like, it's hard to explain exactly what I mean unless you have tasted a tea that has that kind of flavor profile. I feel like this has a little bit of that as well. This is a delicious black tea, and I will happily drink the other ones that they sent. I'm really happy they sent me 4 of them. But thank you guys for hanging out with me as I unbox my tea, and I'll make sure to post a video on my Instagram of the tea blossoms unfurling. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like, and I will see you in my next video. Hopefully, probably in just a couple days. We'll see ya. Bye!